In this lesson, I want to explain how you import files in import your own file in project window here. If you click it, it's been active and you can import your file. We have some ways to import your file. You can right click and click import to import your file and address them on your PC. It's very hard because you want to have to address all of those folders. Double click to insert your file. The best way is this way that I have to explain you. This is my files. This is my project files here. I categorize them in a folder. The best way is that. Categorize them, your folder in your Windows or Mac, it's not important. For example, the alphas, these are clips, image, PNG, PSD. I will explain the PSD, how to import in a separate lesson. Or sounds, all them categorized in a folder. Select them, and if select them, all of them, and if you want to import them, simply click and drag it on a project window and release that. And it's simply insert with their folders. It's very interesting, and you can change the view in here. As you can see, you can delete them. If you delete them from here, your folder in the Windows does not interrupt anything. Don't worry about that. You can manage, delete, or as you can see, it's categorized in a folder and you can access them very easily in image, PNG, clips, as you can see. Very easy, and you can use in your project. Okay, or if you, for example, if you want to categorize this file, you can right click new bin. It's a folder, and for example, MOV file, and rename it and click and drag it on that. That's very easy in Premiere. So you learn how to import your file in a project. I will be explaining the project file, what is their tabs, what are those here, and you can explain how to manage your file in this project. So the first step is importing our project, manage them, and after that we are going and use them and then edit on Premiere. It's very simple. So the simplest way, you can categorize in your Windows, your folder, and then click and drag and release it on this window. It will automatically create a folder the same as your Windows. The folders come here. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.